YouTube? It's your girl Boo, and I'm back with another video for y'all. So I know you seen that thumbnail, and I know y'all read that title. So today I am going to be doing a highly requested video on showing you guys how to download different fonts to your Phonto app. So I know a lot of people, if you're anything like me, I use Phonto for everything. Including my banners, my thumbnails, my logos, anything that I make graphic design wise, I do use Phonto. So I'm gonna go ahead and get straight into this video, y'all, and show you exactly how to go ahead and get these cute fonts to your Phonto app, so that way you don't have to keep using the ones that they provide for us, which is cool, but you know, sometimes we do want something a little fancier or cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and get straight into the video. So first thing first is you want to make sure you go to Google, and you can go here using Safari or your Chrome. So once you get here, you just want to type in dafont.com, and it's going to take you to this screen. Once you're here, you do see like at the top they have them all categorized. So they have like fancy writing, they have foreign looks, they have gothic, basic, script, and all of that. So, and I do actually love the script. So just for this tutorial video, I'm going to show y'all how to go ahead and get some fonts here. So once you see the font that you want, you could just go ahead and scroll through them, find the font that you're looking for. Once you find it, you just want to go ahead and hit download, which is in the right hand corner, and then it'll show up at the bottom of your screen, and you want to hit download again. Once it's finished downloading, you just want to hit open in, and we're going to open it in downloads. Once you're here, it's going to take you to where the font, the zip is at. So you want to press and long press, do a long press hold on the one that you just downloaded. So I'm going to press this one, and then I'm going to hit share, and I'm going to share it to Phonto. And then you'll hit install right there, and it'll install. So I actually already have that font. So it didn't show the install, but normally right here in the right hand corner where it says install, it'll say install. So you'll just hit that button, and then once you do that, it'll be in your Phonto. So just for this tutorial, I'm going to show y'all exactly how it will look. So I'm just going to hit add text, and then I'm going to go to font, and then at the very bottom here, you see where it says fonts, and then you'll go to my fonts. So you'll choose the one that you just downloaded, and I'm gonna just type in subscribe so I can show y'all exactly how it looks. And that is the font. That's what it's looking like. And yeah, so that's how you download fonts to your Phonto. It's pretty simple and easy, and I'll just show you guys again just for a quick reference, just to show y'all exactly how I got those fonts. So you want to go to dafont.com. Once you get to dafont.com, it's going to show you all the different apps, all the different, I'm sorry, not apps, but the different fonts that you can download. Once you find the font that you're looking for, so I'm going to go back up. I'm going to go back to the categories here, and then I'm going to choose a different one. So once you're here, you'll just keep looking to see which one you want. Once you find the one that you want, you just go to download in the right hand corner. It's going to download. You'll hit download again. Once it's fully downloaded, you'll go to open, and you want to open it in downloads first. Once you open it in downloads, you want to go ahead and find the one that you just downloaded. And then once you find it, you're going to long press hold on there. And then you want to hit share, and you're going to share it to Phonto. And then hit install, and now it's fully installed. And just to show y'all again how that font is going to look, you'll just go to, it'll first show up here, and then you want to go to my fonts, and then you want to hit the one that you just chose. And that's what it looked like, and that's the font that it looks like. So that is how you add different fonts to your Phonto app. If I missed anything in this video, make sure y'all comment down below. If y'all got any questions on how to do any other graphic designs, if I do know how to do it, I am more than welcome to go ahead and show y'all. Just make sure you comment that down below in the comment section. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below if it's anything else that you want to see from me. And make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share this video with your friends so that way they'll know how to do it. And if you haven't seen my video on how to make a watermark, I'll put that link in the description, and it'll also be on my homepage. So check that video out so you can learn how to do a watermark for your business or for your YouTube channel. But again, y'all, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope y'all liked it. I hope it was helpful, and I will see y'all in the next video. Hey.